loves, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one from Malaysia. This is KampongKu with their curry laksa soup noodle. And sounds good to me. I really like curry. I really like laksa. I like to say it. I like to ingest it. Here's the noodle. Oh, and this is one. You need to be able to watch this. Okay, so let's put the paste in. Because what you're supposed to do is put everything in and put it on boil for 3 minutes and stirring it and all that, and then you're good to go and enjoy. And I'm going to make this look all gussied up and happy and kind and wonderful, beautiful, happiness, happy day, good stuff, waha, woohoo, whoopee. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to try to make this as pretty as possible, because I believe the one thing we don't have, it's just funny, I was just saying on the last episode how weird it is that I don't really like saying the word pretty, except for when referring to my wife, and I just talked about laksa as being something that can be made pretty. So I don't know. I just ate here, folks. I don't know what to say. Okay, so you get to watch it go. And what is going on? It's January 10th, 2024. Big news has to do, of course, with Trump crap. There's so much Trump crap going on. It's Trump craptastic, as well as Hunter Biden news, which really, those guys that are trying to go after him really aren't doing themselves any favors. And it's silly, and I don't know what to say other than shit. So yeah, that smells pretty darn tootin'. I need to thaw hot water. That one looks good. Little spicy suckers to throw in, mainly for garnish, since these are probably 100 years old. There we go. I have certain things that I will never eat that I keep for presentation purposes. I've got a big bag of peppers, like Thai chilies, that are so old and would cause great pain to my gutty works. So, yeah. 12:57 in the PM here. It's kind of chilly outside. Background over here, you can see my arcade machine. See that? I got that for free on a Buy Nothing group. And if you're in the States, if you look around, you might be able to find a Buy Nothing group in your area. And if you've got stuff you don't want, you can get rid of it there. And if you've got stuff that you'd really like to have, you can ask if somebody's got spares, or just have something in their attic that they don't want anymore. I think I've gotten a couple things that way. Oh yeah, we got a whole bunch of Dogman books for the kids. That's right. So that was cool. And people just put up random things, and one of the things that was put up was this whole arcade machine, and it actually came with a laptop, and that was rad. And so I've actually got an arcade cabinet, and me and my wife, we did a project this last summer of taking all these Instant Noodle Company posters I have and basically doing that all over it. It was just plain boring white, and now it looks like that. So that's pretty cool. I even It's even got a marquee made for it, a ramen reader marquee. So there you go. All right, this looks traumatically good. Is that a thing? Can something be so good it causes trauma? It smells quite nice. All right, let's give it a try. Noodle is wonderful. There's your broth. Very creamy looking. There's a sweetness to that too. And a little bit of heat. That's very good. That's very good. And the spiciness doesn't have a bitter element to it, which is something that I very much enjoy. All right. Not the bitter element, the fact that it doesn't. That I enjoy. Come on. I wish there was... I've said this in so many episodes, folks. I wish there was a way I could really center these things like perfect. Oh, that's about as good as I can get. Okay, so... And the design on this bowl actually has a bottom, which I have to be mindful of as well. Both here and in the staging area. Hey, okay. Okay, so let's go like this. Then I'm going to add fishball like that. I'm going to go a little broth over all of them. Just give them a little bit of that color. I like that color. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I like that sound. And we're gonna go with some egg. I just made these eggs earlier. The last couple times I've been doing up eggs, I have not been marinating them. And I've been making them for use like immediately. And I'm kinda, you know, everybody's all about marinating eggs, and that I kinda got on the bandwagon with that. And now I'm kinda feeling like, you know, when they don't, come on, egg. Now, I want you to sit there just happily. Yeah, that works. Okay, so this is our egg. We got our fish ball. I'm gonna go with a little spring onion right there. Oh, I got it on the phone. Crap. Okay. Oh, we're good. We're good. Yeah, it did exactly what I was afraid it would do, but I just washed off the phone, so we're good. What the heck? There we go. Got that. We're gonna add some mung bean sprout because Malaysia is where I really learned to truly embrace and enjoy the mung bean sprout. God, I tell you, it's been a long time, folks, since I've done really any travel, and I miss it a lot. Add some peppers. Yeah, I haven't done any like big excursion over to Asia to visit a company in like since before the pandemic. I think that was like 2017 was my last trip to Asia. That's when I went to Taiwan, and it was wonderful and amazing. I can just close my eyes and think about it, and I feel like I'm there. It's really, I miss it a lot. Okay, crushed red pepper. Fried onion, peppers, all that good stuff. Yeah, we're good. We're good. Okay. I'll let you rotate it like that. Here we go. Well, rad. That one is super good. If you can find this, look for KampongKu products. I don't know if they're in the States yet. If you're in Malaysia, look for them too. They're good. They've got like curry seafood, mee goreng. They've got what do you call it? They've got a lot of different mee goreng varieties, like a garlic black pepper, a curry seafood, and it starts with an M and I can't think of it, but they're all good, okay? And then they've also got a prawn one, and then this curry laksa. So check them out, up and coming, and making some great stuff. And the next one you're gonna see is one I had to travel all the way, like 4 miles away, on foot, like a crazy person. Look, actually, this one you'll see like 3 before this, or 2 or 3 before this. Yeah, my bad. Because this is like the first one. This is the one that's supposed to be next, and before the ones I did. Anyways, yeah, there'll be that one, and it'll be a mukbang because it's spicy as pork. So. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Like, subscribe, really helps me out, and everybody else too. Have a good one. Bye-bye.